intolerance and moral values in today's interconnected world. The clash between intolerance and moral values has become increasingly evident. Intolerance defined as an unwillingness to accept differing views, beliefs, religious discrimination, political hostility, and cultural prejudice. It threatens the ethical harmony necessary for peaceful coexistence. Moral values like empathy, honesty, respect, and justice serve as the foundation of civilized society. These values guide behavior, promote social unity, and help resolve conflicts peacefully. When intolerance grows, it erodes these values, replacing understanding with fear and division. Intolerance often stems from fear of the unknown, misinformation, or a rigid belief in one's superiority. It can be subtle, such as exclusion or stereotyping, or overt, like hate speech or violence. Social media, biased narratives, and political rhetoric can amplify these divisions, creating echo chambers that reinforce harmful beliefs. This conflict isn't just societal, it's deeply personal. When people refuse to listen to opposing views or label others as inferior, they compromise their own moral integrity. Ironically, intolerance is sometimes justified using distorted moral reasoning, where cultural or religious beliefs are used to exclude or discriminate against others. Overcoming intolerance requires a conscious commitment to moral values. Education is key. Schools must teach critical thinking, empathy, and ethical reasoning. Dialogue between different communities fosters understanding, while inclusive policies and fair laws support moral values on a systemic level. On an individual level, self-reflection is essential. People must examine their biases, choose compassion over judgment, and actively stand against injustice. In essence, intolerance and moral values are at odds. One divides, the other unites. To build a just and humane society, we must embrace values that uplift all people, not just those who think, look, or live like us. Thank you for watching.